So Microsoft Copilot app is finally available. So this is an app built by Microsoft. It was just released for iOS. And this app is basically a complete alternative to OpenAI ChatGPT app. It's even higher in the charts than ChatGPT app right now. Why? The cool part is that Microsoft Copilot offers access to GPT-4 and DALL-E 3 for free. So in official ChatGPT app, you need to upgrade to access these models. In Microsoft Copilot, nope, you don't need to do that. It's already included, and you don't even need to create an account. So when you just open this app, you don't even need to create an account to access GPT-4, the newest model. You can just toggle it on. And DALL-E 3 you need to create images. You just need to create your Microsoft account. So yeah, it's very similar to basically ChatGPT. I don't know why Microsoft did this, but basically it's a complete it's a competitor to ChatGPT app from OpenAI. So yeah, like how does it work? So here you just open, you just have the chat, and then you can just start messaging. Then you can see 1 of 30. So there is some limitations of messages. But in the top left, you have your account. So you just need to sign in with existing Microsoft account to get access to this app. But yeah, here you have that. You can just copy to clipboard. And then, okay, so let's just generate an image of forest, for example. So here I'm using DALL-E 3, and I'm not upgraded. I'm in a free version. And I just need to wait some time. But yeah, why would I need to use now OpenAI app where if I can access DALL-E image generation here for free? And then I already have 4 images, which I can just share, which I can download. So pretty cool. And this app is integrated with Bing, I guess. So yeah, and then so here they have some suggestions what you can use it for. This is quite fast. I can copy it out. I can just let's change the subject and completely refresh the chat from the beginning. In this app, I don't have all the chats saved, similar as ChatGPT, so I don't have it. Then I can also show all tones here. So here I can select more creative, more balanced, or more precise. Clear your conversation and start a concise and straightforward chat. So here you just select that, and then you just enable GPT-4 as well. So here, if you enable GPT-4, it will have a bit different theme color. So as you see, I don't need to upgrade. I'm already using GPT-4. So let's see. Let's see how is it different. I mean, yes, so that's what it is. And now I have 1 of 30 messages again. So my number of messages was reset. So yeah, that's the idea. Pretty cool. Tones, I can select tones in GPT-4. I can send some feedback. New topic, that's the same as I'm using the button in the bottom left. Then I can also send some images. So I can just, all right, I'll just search, what do you see? I can just ask it. take some time. And I can also use voice messages to ask in the bottom right. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So this simple image is analyzing quite nicely. And then what it does is just searches for the answers from Bing. It hooks up the results from Bing search engine, and then you can see some links, and then you can go to these websites. So this is quite cool, and then seems it will have an up-to-date information from 2023 to 2024 and all of that. So yeah, that's what it is. And then in addition, you can just change the theme, dark theme. You can change region and language, display language, speech language. So all the regions available, seems like that. Languages, I don't know how many languages, speech languages. So yeah, quite amazing. Privacy, delete account, clear browsing data, permissions. You can just also go to the settings app and kind of like change that. So yeah, there you have it. So that's the idea. That's the app. Definitely give it a try. For me, I think I will be using it because for now I don't want to pay just $20 for OpenAI ChatGPT just for the same set of features. For me, the main idea to pay for ChatGPT, official ChatGPT app, is to get access to GPT-4 and DALL to generate images. Also, of course, they have this new feature to speak. But now, like, I can just use this one, a Microsoft Copilot. I don't know why it has a bit of lower ratings. But this was just released on iOS. I don't know whether it's on Android or not, but give it a try definitely.